tie up. It's a little bit uncomfortable. But I need a little stool for the foot. If anyone can relate, say that you can. I'm awkward ever since I stopped drinking. But I love it. Okay, I didn't want to say that at all. Okay, this is called Freebird. Let's talk about it. I've been meaning to say, I know that you want me, but I'm going away. I'm sorry about that. I'm closing the gate. The wind's blowing wilder. Now you're starting to hate that I'm free. You're my baby and I love you, but that couldn't be me. Free. You're my baby and I love you, but that couldn't be me. You're my baby and I love you, but that couldn't be me. You're my baby and I love you. I'm cautiously hopeful that it's gonna be green. It's gonna be lonely, but I'll grow like a bean. I'm sorry about that as you lay in our bed. I'm dead in the eyes and I'm sick in the head and I'm free. You're my baby and I love you, but that couldn't be me. Free. You're my baby and I love you, but that couldn't be me. You're my baby and I love you, but that couldn't be me. You're my baby and I love you. Wake up, I'm laughing at a dream I forget, with no one beside me who can comment on it. I'm struck by a feeling of both happy and sad. Well, I love you forever, but I'm not coming back. And you're my baby, you're my baby, and I love you, but that couldn't be me. Free, you're my baby, and I love you, but that couldn't be me. You're my baby and I love you, but that couldn't be me. You're my baby and I love you. You're my baby and I love you, but that couldn't be me. You're my baby and I love you. Thank you.